That's okay.
So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is JJ Sandy from Julita Digital Empire, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make money by performing micro jobs. Alright, by performing simple tasks. The normal tasks you do for free, this time around you'll be paid on this website. Alright, and you can earn up to $10 on a daily basis by performing these simple tasks. So without wasting much of your time, let's hop into this website. All right, I'll show you the sign up process and then how to perform simple tasks. Okay. All right. So let's sign up. The name of this website is sproutgig.com. Sproutgig. All right. So you can see this is SproutGig. All right. So it's sproutgigs.com. All right. So this is how the website is. I have already logged into my account already. So you can see sproutgigs.com. Browse your gigs. um these are gigs of people that are already on the platform. All right, people that are already performing um jobs on the platform. These are gigs, and then these are surveys. All right, but before then, let me show you how to sign up. Okay, let me log out. All right, so when you come into this website, this is how the home the home page will look like. Just come over here and click the sign up button. It's a very simple process. As you can see, your real name, you type in your real name here, and this is my real name, and then you put in your email. All right, you can choose your email and put it here. Then here you choose a password. All right, here you can see what it's saying. At least 10 characters, uppercase and lower letters. You must add numbers and then at least one special character. So that's how the password should look like. So you must make sure you have all these numbers. You must have add a number to the password and then a special character, and you repeat the same password here. Coming over here, you choose your nickname. I choose this as my nickname over here, and then you select your country. If you are from Nigeria, you can just search Nigeria over here, and then you select. All right, so here you can see select the desired profile type. So all right, so as I said, so when you log in, this is how the interior, this is how the home page looks like. This is how the dashboard, your dashboard will look like. Sorry, you can see. Sorry, for every task you perform, this is where you see your. It will come to pending first. So when the employer, that's the person that posts the tax, approves it, it will come to end. All right, so this is where your wallet, this is where you deposit money or you withdraw money. All right, so from the moment you earn up to $5, the moment you earn up to $5 here, you can come here and place withdrawal. You see, withdrawal are processed within 10 business days of placing request. So you must have a PayPal account where they will pay you directly into your PayPal account. You can withdraw into your local currency. That's if you are in Nigeria, Naira or Ghana cedis or whatsoever. All right, so you click on request withdrawal. All right, so you can see what I say. New tax timer interval be 0 to withdrawal. All right, that's my account. I have zero money. So you see, new users must complete a minimum amount of tax to achieve zero tax interval. Now you can see when withdrawing, you have okay. Withdraw when you have over $5 in your end balance. All right, so as I said, this is your end balance, so you must have at least $5 here before you can withdraw, and it will take like 10 working days for the money to drop. All right, so as I said, now these are gigs, these are like services people render here. You can see I will design professional and outstanding logo for you for just $5, $5.25. I will write 1,000 word SEO friendly article for $4.73. Yeah, I'll create professional blogger site or blog spot, all right, for $3.15. You can see I'll convert your text to one video high quality up to, I don't want to open this gig boys, up to this blah blah blah, and it's $4.73. So people pay. You can see now this is 4.9 this 4.9 star review. That means he has 45 reviews here. So you can imagine the number of people that have paid him this amount of money to convert their text to video. Yeah, a lot of and you can see here this guy have like 91 reviews, and some people will even do transactions with you without even leaving a review. So you can imagine how much this guy could have made from this website by performing this particular task. All right, but these particular gigs are not for people that are beginners. All right, so if you are a starter, this is where you will start from. You come here and find the micro jobs I'm talking about. You click on find jobs. The moment you click on find jobs, you will see this category. Now you can see job level. Now you are a starter. Now starter are those that will do micro jobs before to earn money. And it's very easy. You just follow instruction and you get money done. You get it done. Now when you reach to advanced, that's when you can post gigs like the one I show you some few seconds ago, right? So for a beginner as a starter, you come over where it shows micro job here. You click find job and then you come here. All right, so you can, if you want, you can choose the category you want to, of the kind of jobs you want to do, maybe sign ups or data entry or whatsoever. But any of them, you can choose subcategory and whatsoever. And even if you want, you can choose the location of where the jobs are coming from. Okay, so but I don't think you have to waste your time doing that. You can see now new tax, comment on our video and then you make $1.5. That's like one point for just commenting. All right, this one upvote reddit post. This is a post on Reddit. You upvote it like you like it. That's what it means by upvote here. And then you get 0.25 cent, and that's how you can keep doing them, and then and your money keeps accumulating. This is SEO, like promote content plus engage. You can see over 2,600 people have already done these tax. Out of 2,950 tax, you get 0.030 cent. So you can see these are jobs. There are a lot of jobs to be done here. You can see this one is Kalku Talk app. You can install, sign up and follow, and then you get 0.20 cent. You can see all these ones are sign ups. These ones are install and login easy jobs. All these things are done. I've some years ago I was making small money from this, but I later stopped because I got engaged with some school activities. But I'm assuring you it's a legit website. It has been into existence for the past 5 years now. It has been into existence and people have been making money from it. All right, so you can see all these are jobs, simple jobs you can do. All right, simple jobs you can perform. All these are jobs you can see. Some are Telegram, some are TikTok, some are emails. You can see sign up for email, confirm inbox, and then you are good to go. All right, all these are jobs. There are a lot. Except you are tired. Some people I know a guy that was making up to $5 on a daily basis by just staying on this website. All right, it's just that when you are starting, it will be kind of stressful, but as time goes on, they keep giving you jobs that are of high pay, all right, and you keep getting good money. You can even make a lot of money. I'll show you leader dashboard of people that are cashing out. All right, you can see Twitter. This is Twitter influencers. You can follow. Okay, change picture, blah blah blah. You make 0.020 cent and all this. All right, there's a lot of opportunity here. All right, so you can see all these are jobs. All right, there are a lot of jobs here. I don't want to waste much time. You can just come here if you don't want the category. Choose maybe the category of what you want. Maybe Telegram, you apply. So all the jobs that are under Telegram come up, and then you use your Telegram to perform them. All right, so if it's what is it called, let's say if you sign up, you want to just sign up to maybe website or whatever jobs that are available. You can select them here. You can sign up. You can see sign up here and whatsoever. All right, so whatsoever, if it's SEO and promote content, you can come here. If it's data entry, if it's TikTok, if it's Discord, whatsoever, just the moment you do, if there's available job on it presently, it will show forth. And anytime new jobs comes up, um they keep pumping up here. You come here, you can choose to join channel or serve join, whatsoever it is. And then here you can put the range of the amount you want, maybe the money on the kind of jobs you want should be within this range. All right, so but I'll prefer you leave it to $2. All right, so location, if you don't want jobs from Africa, you can select the ones you want. Let's say maybe Europe, you want jobs from Europe, from USA and whatsoever. All right, so that is that for now. All right, so that is that for now. Now let me show you, for instance, let me show you how to go on with a task. All right, so for instance, if you want to perform a task like this one that said comment on our whatever, comment on our video, just click on the job. You can see now excluded countries. You can see Bangladesh and Ghana. These are the countries that you don't want them to perform the tax. So you can see 5 out of 25. It's just 25 people they want them to do this, and 5 people have already done. Time to rate 1 day category is survey offer up to 10 questions. All right, so it's more of like a survey where you ask you 10 questions, and then you see the instruction down here. All right, so you see, if you want, you can hold the job. That means you can like hold the job. That means they'll keep one slot for you, and then you can go on and do whatever you're doing. Anytime you come and complete it, they'll pay you for it. If you are interested in the job, you can see what is expected from you. Now go to this site. So you go to this website. After going to this website, watch the video on on the website, and then click watch now. And you click on watch now. Complete the human verification to unlock the video. You must complete human verification and open the video. Watch the video for 10 seconds and then comment on the video. So this is the things they want you to do. Not if you actually complete human verification, you'll be directed on the video. Make sure to comment on correct video before submitting proof. Now to correct video title, the correct video title equals to do dash 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 that too. So this is how the title is. So you have to complete it, and then don't submit proof if you didn't get the correct video. You must complete the human verification to unlock the video. Fake comment won't be paid. So if you put fake comment without watching the video, they won't pay. Do work without VPN. So some people will be using VPN to work, maybe America or whatever. So if you are using that, you will not be paid. All right, so you can see required proof that tax was finished. Write the video title. That's the first proof that you have done the job. The second one is screenshot and show your comment on the video. And then the third one, screenshot that